Here, Media Selection and Views. I am Joy Perez. I am Miss Lim and will be your MC for this afternoon. Let's start the program with a prayer to be led by Joey Lin, followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem by our very own December R. Valenciano, an alumnus of the Philippine Madrigal Singers.
We have more influence than we realize. We don't need to be the boss. We don't need to have an impressive title or be famous. All we need is simply to walk according to our calling. And it's the reason we're the ones to choose what we do with our work. With everything that's happening in the world today, it's easy to find it. Cursing and negativity everywhere. On the news, in line at the grocery store, in our respective classrooms, faculties and offices, grumbling and blaming and being called in our common place, and far too often among us.
Here in Zamora Elementary School. You know, we have been very excited to come here. Actually, it took us the whole semester preparing for this. On the first day, when my students met me in my class in June, the first thing I told them is that at the end of the semester, you will be working on a seminar with the teacher. So every week that we meet, we plan how we will go about this seminar workshop. And luckily, through the help of one of our students,